The question says find the number of solutions of the equation tan x plus sec x is equal to 2 cos x lying in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So this is the equation tan x plus sec x is equal to 2 cos x in the solutions which lie in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So to find the solutions which lie in the interval of 0 to 2 pi, we have to first find the range of this equation. So tan x plus sec x is equal to 2 cos x. Let us solve the equation first. So we can write tan x as sin x by cos x plus 1 by cos x is equal to 2 cos x. Everything writing in the terms of sin and cos. So if we multiply this equation by cos, then we will get sin x into cos x by cos x plus 1 by cos x into cos x is equal to 2 cos square x, right? When we multiply everything on the LHS and RHS by cos x, so this will get cancelled and we will get sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. Sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x, because sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, right? So we can write this as sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 sin square x. So bring it to the LHS. 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 2 plus 1. So that will be minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 equal to 0. So now let us solve this. So to solve this quadratic equation, let us split the middle term. So that will be 2 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us take 2 sin x common. So here you will get sin x plus 1, and here we can take minus 1 common. So finally the two factors are 2 sin x minus 1 into sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so we will get finally sin x is equal to 1 by 2 or sin x is equal to 1 minus 1. Alright, this will go to the RHS and become minus 1. So sin value is 1 by 2 at 30 degrees, so that is pi by 6. And as you know, our limit is from 0 to 2 pi. So 2 pi means 180 degrees. So we can also get it at 150 degree. Sin is equal to 1 by 2, right? So we can write it as 5 pi by 6, or sin x is equal to minus 1. This is out of the range which is given to us, 0 to 2 pi. So this solution will get cancelled and this is the correct one. So there are two solutions of the equation tan x plus sec x is equal to 2 cos x, and these are the two solutions. Thanks for watching.